At Kettering Middle School, technology is being repaired and futures are being built. Welcome to the Young IT Club, a groundbreaking pilot program where middle school students learn to fix Chromebooks while earning valuable hands-on experience.
This is a really great opportunity. I was worried I wasn't going to be able to do it, but I'm happy that Mr. Jones was very patient with me.
We started the YIT Club here at Kettering Middle School to address the abundance of broken Chromebooks, broken screens, broken keyboards, and different things. Kids have worked so hard and so fast that we end up reaching out to other schools, fix their broken Chromebooks. Kids did very well. These students meet twice a week after school. Some are so dedicated that they even come during lunchtime to help out. Their hard work has been incredible.
This program offers students learning hours and a unique opportunity to make a real difference.
At first, Mr. Jones wasn't taking in 7th graders.
But we're so good we convinced him to let us come in.
But we'll be here next year to train the new recruits.
So this school year, middle schools were faced with a challenge. We had a lot of broken computers from last year, stolen computers, just a lot of problems at the middle school level. I said, hey, at Kettering Middle School, we want to make sure that we stay one-to-one. We wanted to make sure that our students had access to some of the instructional platforms that they use for improvement, such as IXL, Speak Agent, Mobius Math. I spoke with Mr. Jones and he came up with this phenomenal idea of having our students help with the support and repairs of the computers. I followed him, I listened to him, I trusted him. And so right now our students are doing an amazing job. Not only are they gaining technical skills with fixing the computers, but they're also helping with leadership skills. They're also helping with problem-solving skills, and they have become an integral part of our school community. These young people are helping to make Kettering the place it is. Our students know we have a process. They take the computers to the main office, and from there, this team takes it over. So we're excited about the work that lies ahead. We would love to remain one-to-one, and we want to keep what we have going because we want our students to be not only prepared for high school, but middle school is a time when they can explore career fields. So this might spark an interest in an IT career or whatever it may be. We want them to be prepared for jobs they may or may not know exist. So we're grateful for this program.
As part of their training, the YIT Club members had the opportunity to speak with Mr. Stephen Cobb, the IT tech at Flowers High School. Mr. Cobb has several trained high school students who work with him. Sydney and Olabube joined him while speaking with the YIT Club.
I'm not sure what I want to do career-wise, but technology is definitely a possibility for me now.
From repairing Chromebooks to gaining lifelong skills, the Young IT Club at Kettering Middle School is a win for students in the entire Kettering community. Do you want to unlock awesome opportunities like this? Join the Young IT Club. Get hands-on experience, a chance to level up your tech skills, and earn some student service learning hours. Reach out to Mr. Jones or IT Tech to get started.